Welcome to English 10 Podcast. In this episode, I'm Mary along with James. We will explore how to talk about your feelings in clear, simple English. Our goal is to give beginner learners practical language they can use every day, from describing how you feel to listening with empathy.
We'll use straightforward sentences, helpful phrases, and short, authentic examples so you can practice with confidence, whether you're at home, at work, or in class. You'll find useful ideas to express your emotions, understand others, and communicate more effectively.
Many people find it hard to describe their feelings. Can you explain why? And how can beginners overcome this challenge with practical steps?
Certainly. The main difficulty is choosing the right simple words that fit the moment. A practical approach is to start with one or two basic feelings, like happy, sad, or tired, and add a short reason. For example, you can say, "Today I feel tired because I slept late and I have a lot to do." Repeating this pattern helps you build confidence. Another tip is to use a daily diary or a quick voice note to capture your feelings in your own words. Practicing aloud with a friend or a tutor also makes a big difference. Over time, you'll find it easier to explain how you feel without overthinking.
How can you show you're listening when someone says they feel upset?
A good listener uses simple, kind phrases. You might say, "I'm sorry you're feeling upset," and then ask, "Would you like to talk about what happened?" If you want to offer practical help, you can add, "I'm here for you. Do you want some company? Or would you like me to listen quietly while you think?" It's important to nod or give short verbal cues like, "I see," "I understand," or "That sounds tough." These phrases acknowledge the other person's feelings and create a safe space to share more.
What are some everyday phrases to express feelings in different situations?
Here are a few versatile phrases. I feel happy today because I feel worried about. I'm excited about. I feel calm when. I feel proud of myself for. Build sentences with a short reason after because, and keep them in the present simple tense for clarity. For example, I feel happy today because I finished a challenge at work, or I feel calm when I take a deep breath. Practice these patterns in short dialogues to gain fluency.
How can learners practice expressing feelings in a low-pressure way?
Start with small, everyday moments. Describe your feelings about simple events like meals, weather, or routines. Use role plays with a partner and switch roles so you both practice speaking and listening. Use prompts such as, "How do you feel about?" or "What makes you feel?" and answer with a short sentence plus a reason. Recording yourself and listening back helps identify pronunciation or grammar gaps. Most importantly, celebrate small improvements to stay motivated.
Can you share a short dialogue about feelings for beginners?
Yes, here's a concise dialogue. How do you feel today?
I feel a little tired, but I'm glad to be here.
Why do you feel tired?
I stayed up late finishing a project.
That sounds tough. Would you like to rest, or should we take a short break?
A short break would be great. I'll feel better after a quick walk.
Perfect. Let's take a 5-minute walk together.
This dialogue uses simple phrases and a clear structure, making it easy to imitate in daily practice.
Longer reflection and practical tips. Use I feel plus adjective plus because reason to express your emotions clearly. Keep sentences short. Break complex ideas into 2 or 3 simple sentences. Practice with a friend or in front of a mirror to build confidence. Listen to native speakers and notice how they express feelings in similar situations. When you don't know a word, explain your idea in simpler terms. Then look up the word later. Conclusion.
Thank you for joining the discussion about expressing feelings in English. We've covered practical phrases, listening strategies, and short dialogues to help beginners speak more confidently. If you found this episode useful, please like this video, subscribe to English 10 Podcast, and share it with friends who are starting their language journey.
For beginners, remember, practice every day. Use short sentences, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your progress matters, and we're here to help you improve.